Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos. You can also follow us on our Facebook and on Instagram page for daily quizzes and practice. In case of any query, write us on metallurgicalfacts@gmail.com. So the question is 1 ton of liquid steel initially containing 0.08% of sulfur is brought into equilibrium with 0.1 ton of liquid slag containing no sulfur. The sulfur distribution ratio is given at equilibrium, that is 30. The final sulfur content of steel in weight percent is. So we need to find final sulfur content of steel. This question was asked on Instagram. One of the student who is preparing for GATE has asked this question. So we are trying to solve this question. So for this type of problem or any type of extractive metallurgy numerical, we need to understand the process first. For solving the numerical problems, we need to understand the process, what exactly is going on in that process. If we will understand the process, we will able to do this numerical part easily. Okay, in any type of material balance question or in any type of this slag treating question or in concentration processes question, we need to understand the process flow. So for this question, we will try to draw a schematic process flow. So according to the question, 1 ton of liquid steel is initially containing 0.08% of sulfur. Sulfur percentage is given in this steel. Okay, so this is brought into the equilibrium. This is brought into the equilibrium with 0.1 ton of 1 ton of liquid slag. Okay, so this initially contains no sulfur. Okay, after this treatment we will get final steel, that is after the treatment with slag at equilibrium. Okay, so this the weight of this steel is also 1 ton. Okay, or 1000 kg. So we need to find the sulfur content value in this final steel. So the weight of the sulfur, that is in initial steel is 1000, that is 0.08 by 100, that is 0.8 kg of sulfur in initial liquid steel. Okay, and let us suppose x kg of sulfur went into the slag. So because we are doing this process because we want to reduce the sulfur content in liquid steel, so that few part of sulfur will come into the slag and the final steel will contain few part of sulfur. Okay, so whatever the sulfur will not go in slag part, that will come in liquid part. So initial it was 0.8, x part went into the slag and the remaining part will come into the final steel, that is 0.8 minus x, that this much kg will come into the final steel. So for solving this type of problem, we will given to the distribution ratio, that is distribution ratio is percentage sulfur in slag to percentage sulfur in metal. Okay, this value is given 30 for this question at equilibrium. Okay, so we know this round bracket is used for slag and this square bracket is used for metal or liquid steel, that is used for liquid steel. So if they will not give in language that this is percentage sulfur in slag, so we will get this by this brackets. So this bracket is having its own importance in extractive metallurgy field, basically in steel making. So so for now we will solve this problem. So percentage sulfur in slag is, how we will find the percentage sulfur in slag, that x kg of sulfur in 100 kg of slag. 0.1 ton means 100 kg. Okay, and we need to find in percentage, so we will multiply it by 100. Okay, so percentage sulfur in liquid metal, how we will find this? 0.8 minus x kg is initially, so 0.8 minus x by 1000. Why 1000? Because the weight of the final steel is 1000 kg. So we will divide it by 1000 multiplied by 100. Okay, and this will be equal to the 30. So from here we will find the x value. So x value is, we will get 0.6. Okay, so we need to find this x value. That x value is 0.6. We got this value, that 0.6 kg of sulfur. So this 0.6 kg of sulfur went into the slag. Okay, so weight of sulfur in final steel, that is 0.8 minus 0.6, that will be 0.2. Okay, so we need to find in percentage the final sulfur content in steel, that is in percentage. In question they asked in percentage, so we will find this weight percent of sulfur in liquid steel, that is 0.2, and the weight of liquid steel is 1000, and for percentage we need to multiply it by 100. So we will get 0.02. This is the answer of this question. Okay, so if they will ask in kg, so we will write 0.2 kg. If they will ask in percentage, so we generally do this part also. Okay, so this is actually the aptitude part, that is 0.2 by 1000 into 100. This is we need to convert the kg in weight percentage. Okay, so once again we will see how we solve this question. So initially we were having 1 ton of liquid steel which were brought into the equilibrium with 0.1 ton of liquid slag. So we need to understand why this is brought into the equilibrium, because reducing the sulfur content. So from initial liquid content, sulfur will go into the slag, that we assume x kg. So whatever the sulfur will not go into the slag, that will come into the final. For final we get 0.8 minus x kg. Okay, so from here we applied the formula, that is distribution ratio, that is ls is equals to percentage of sulfur in slag to the percentage of sulfur in metal. That value 30 is given at equilibrium for this problem. This can vary according to the question. This is not fixed value. Okay, so after that we put the values and we get the answer, that is x is equals to 0.6. that x is the sulfur content in liquid slag. Then we subtract this value by 0.8%, which was initial content of sulfur in liquid steel, and we get 0.2 kg. We need to find in percentage, so we calculated in percentage, and we got the answer. The option of this question is right option is B part. Thank you guys for your attention. I hope you have understood the concept of this question. Also, I want to let you know, if you are facing any problem in this type of question, basically in mass balancing problems of extractive metallurgy, you can comment here the question, or you can message us on Instagram with your problems. We will try to make video on that questions also. And subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you.